Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. By popular demand, you've asked for my price prediction. A couple of weeks ago, I spoke about Quant and the recent run that it's had, and why it's part of my portfolio, and it's been part of my portfolio. And now everybody's coming out saying, "Oh, look at Quant, amazing!" Blah blah blah. And it's very common, right? When a price of a crypto starts to rise, it's now in the top 50. Everybody becomes an expert in it. Everybody talks about it, and it happens, right? It happens with every single coin as soon as it starts to go up. I saw it with Binance. There were people that were very quiet when Binance was $4. When Binance went all the way to $300, everybody all of a sudden was a Binance expert. But Quant is amazing, and I believe that it is one of those technologies that will be around for a very long time. If you follow the community around it and how people talk about it and why people are really, really excited about Quant, you start to paint a picture of why people, believe in it and believe in the longevity of it. And it's not just the market cap, right? I mean, the market cap plays a big role because it confuses you, right? You're like, oh, wow, there's been a movement of $20, $30. There's nothing. The market cap is very, very little. At the moment, the price that it's at, it's approximately as if DOT was like $1.50 or $1.75, a maximum $2 DOT at the moment. That's a comparison you got to make. And it has the potential. The potential is there for Quant for a long term. I mean, a lot of people are talking about it being the next Bitcoin in the sense of, the price movement. Now, it's going to take some time. And I did say, this is my price prediction for Quant. And I know that some of you don't watch the whole video, so I'm going to give you a rough estimate. Right now, I think, we can get to 1,000 pretty quickly. We'll probably get to 1,000 by the end of the year. And then from there, we can start to move and see what kind of momentum it builds. That's with the information we have today. But of course, as it evolves, with such a small market cap, can we get 2,000 out of Quant? Yeah, you can, because it is that good. Now, let's go a little bit over it, right? So the Quant utility token overview. So this is an overview of what it is. Now, take a screenshot, save it, read it after, or pause it and read it, right? But essentially, from an enterprise level, Quant tokens must be provided to Quant network in exchange for an annual license. You got developer licenses that can use Quant. You got platform fees that can use Quant. You got identity and accounts that can also use Quant from an investment and store of value, gateways and staking, application users, and transaction processing. So there's quite an ecosystem from this utility token that can be used. And when we talk about the small market cap, that's why we're talking about $1,000 quants, $2,000 quants. I mean, you see ridiculous claims out there. But again, I wanted to give you my overview of where I think this can go, when it will get there, and how it will get there. And so keep an eye out for this, right? I mean, do your research on it. It is so good, right? Now, from a solutions point of view, when they talk about it, there are enterprise solutions available on it. So from the multi-ledger tokens, you got the end-to-end DLT access, you've got cryptocurrency payments that can be done for it as well. And the Quant.network website has a lot of information to get you underway and get you started on this, right? It's the overledger for Ethereum. And that is what you want to learn more about if you're going to be serious about, searching this. Now, when we say, Quant is moving and, it is moving and, what is it about it? Even, like finance, Yahoo Finance and things like that, there's not really that much information at the moment that you can get on it. If anything, I don't believe that they do enough marketing for Quant. There's not a lot of social media. It's not easy to know about it for now. I mean, it may change in the future, or they might just want to be the people that just fly under the radar. But it is a common problem with good or great crypto projects out there. If you lack in marketing, then people aren't going to know about it, right? And even by looking at the search volumes on YouTube, there's not that many people talking about it, right? And it's a problem. So, Quant is an Ethereum-based token which aims to interoperability between blockchains specifically aimed at institutions. The token is used to pay for Quant services, pay transaction fees, and secure the overledger network, in short. So the overledger is the backbone of Quant, and it's what allows institutions to seamlessly integrate multiple distributed ledger systems in their business. That's essentially what it is. Now, when we look at the charts, and what is coming up based on what happened here the last couple of times, I think it's ready. Like, I think it's ready to kick off again and begin the journey towards 200 and beyond. And when you go on CoinMarketCap, what you want to do is you look at, obviously you look at the price, what's been going on and all that, how it's been tracking the last 24 hours. But then what you want to do as well is you want to check out, the trading volume, how much trading volume has been happening, what's the price change that has happened over the last 24 hours. And of course, the market cap, and that's the big one, right? The market cap, the fully diluted market cap, and just look at these numbers and start to understand them, because when we look at the year that Quant has had, I mean, this is over a year period, right? Let's take a look at this, right? So on the 7th of August, 2020, it was $7. $7. I mean, that is incredible growth over the course of just 12 months. This is why it gets really, really exciting to be a long-term investor, to have a long-term vision for your portfolio, to literally buy things and chuck it away and don't look at it for another 12 months. Now, 12 months seems like a long time, you might say. Well, on the 23rd of May, the prices were $27 for Quant. On the 23rd of May, it was $27. And look at it now. Like, that is a 650%. I mean, that's like, what? Like, this is crazy. To the influencers out there that call the bear market, this is what you've caused people. Like, this is literally your actions. Your actions of telling people there was going to be a bear market. That's what you've done to them. Like, literally, that is factual of what you've done. Now, Binance has put Quant on the Binance network, so Quant is now on Binance. So you learn more about that as well. But overall, where does the serpent sit? I think Quant is something you buy, you accumulate when it goes down, you keep buying, and you hold in your portfolio for the next 2 years. And you're going to be very, very, very happy. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on Quant and where it sits in your portfolio. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.